This guide will help you navigate the process of enabling the installation loop on your Nintendo Switch. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a successful setup. Step 1. Prepare your Switch. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is charged and updated to the latest firmware. This will help avoid compatibility issues during the installation process. Step 2. Download required files. Visit the official website or trusted sources to download the necessary files for the installation loop. Make sure to save them to a location that is easy to access later. Step 3. Transfer files to SD card. Insert your SD card into your computer and transfer the downloaded files onto the card. Ensure that the files are placed in the correct folders as specified in the instructions. Step 4. Boot into custom firmware. Insert the SD card back into your Nintendo Switch. Boot the device into custom firmware mode by following the specific button combination for your model. This will allow you to access the installation loop. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Once in the custom firmware, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation loop. Be patient and do not interrupt the process, as this may cause errors. After completing these steps, your Nintendo Switch should be set up for the installation loop. Always remember to keep your device updated and backed up to avoid any potential issues in the future.